In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clear and professional client reports in Airtable. First, log into Airtable on your desktop and open the base that holds your client, project, or performance data. If you're starting from an existing base, that's perfect. If it's brand new, don't worry. This process will still guide you toward a clean, report-ready setup. Make sure your base is organized into clear, purposeful tables. A simple structure works best. A clients table, a projects or deliverables table, and a metrics or KPIs table. Link related tables so each client record connects to its projects and any performance data. Good linking is the backbone of accurate reporting, so take a moment to confirm that each project references the correct client. Next, clean and standardize your fields. Give fields clear, readable names and use consistent types. Statuses work well as single select options. Hours and quantities should be number fields, money should be in currency format, and dates should use a standard date field. Consistency here prevents confusion later and makes your reports trustworthy. Now, create a reporting view. Open the table you'll report from and add a new view named Client Report. Filter it so only relevant records show up, such as active projects or a specific date range. Hide any fields that don't serve the report. The goal is a view that can be read and understood in seconds. Group and sort your data to make it tell a story. Group by client name or by project, then sort by date, status, or priority, so your audience can immediately grasp what's current and what matters most. Add summary power by using rollup and formula fields. Calculate total hours, total cost or revenue, completion percentages, and any key performance metrics you track. If you need to follow along step by step, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description. Use it to open Airtable and mirror this setup as you watch. Be sure your rollups reference properly linked records, and format totals as currency or percentages for readability. To make your report even clearer, enable conditional coloring. Highlight completed work, overdue items, and high priority issues so important information stands out at a glance. When you're ready to share, click Share on the report view, set access to read only, and send a link to your clients. This keeps your data safe while giving them real-time visibility. Finally, update your reports regularly. Keep records current and review filters, groupings, and calculations periodically to ensure everything remains accurate. That's how you can create clear and professional client reports in Airtable for business use. Thanks for watching.